Very happy new year to everyone. First video of 2025, and this is basically a continuation from the video which is about the 3 observations that I had while touring with the regular xPulse and my xPulse Pro or Rally Edition. And one of the first observations that I had was the fact that there was a difference in fuel consumption between that bike and this bike, and of course there could be many reasons, but one of the main reasons that I had suspected was the fact that it could be because of the fact that there was a difference in the sprocketing between the Rally Edition and the regular edition. So that is what I set out to check today, and basically have opened up the cover of the front sprocket and also cleaned up the rear sprocket just to check it out. So yeah, I mean, apart from that, there could be different reasons, many different factors or reasons that happen. It could be because of the riding styles are different between my friend and me. It could be of the fact that because the bike is slightly taller, so there's more wind resistance, and that does end up in a slight difference in fuel consumption. Or maybe because of the fact that there's a fuel leg slide that I have installed in the bike, or maybe because simply the way he rides and I ride is so different. Like I think we were discussing about this. I tend to use a lot of engine braking, whereas my friend, he doesn't use engine braking that much. He pulls in the clutch and brakes a lot more. So yeah, but let me quickly show you the sprockets. The front is 13T and the rear is 45T, just in case if you're wondering about it. But yeah, so the front is a little difficult to open because you have to remove the gear lever in order to access this, in order to open this cover. So that is one thing. So, but this is definitely 13T. I'm not sure if you can see there. There's 13 written there. Yeah. And the rear I've cleaned up. Come on. But this is definitely 45T. Let me just try to focus. And my dog there. Hey. Go. So the sprocketing is definitely the same as the regular xPulse. It's not any different. So I hope you find this video useful. If you're looking for this particular information, I'm not sure if anybody is probably doing that, but yeah. Chalo, I wish everyone a very, very great and awesome year ahead. Bye-bye.